Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is online business versus offline business. And the team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of offline business, and the team sitting on my left is going to speak in the favor of ऑनलाइन बिजनेस. कैमरा हिलाना था ऐसे ऐसे, मैं इसीलिए रुक रहा था. मैंने करेगी ये.
We do not need money in lakhs, in crores. Just some thousands money you must have, and you must have a solid mindset that yeah, you will have to do that come what may. Loss and profit is yours. Then you can do your business and advertisement. You know, when we do advertisement, so it takes much money in offline way, because first you will need some printed papers, then you will have to give them to the person uh, who will give to the people, okay, and to that person also you will have to give money. But in online business you do not have to do these all things. If you have to do online business, then just put your advertisement in Instagram, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and there are many apps which people are using nowadays. Okay, so like this your advertisement will not be costly. And if I tell you about late payment, you know what happens in offline business, that sometimes our payment gets stuck, by which we do not get we are unable to supply our things which we have to supply in the market, so our works stop there. So so like this our flow can be means can be broken. Yeah, our flow can be broke, okay, can be broken. But it doesn't happen in online business, because your money won't get stuck, your money won't be late, there will not be any kind of bargaining, in which I would say women, they do most it. You know, if they go at any shop, so they do bargaining a lot, by which their time also, they waste their time as well and their money as well. You know, they say that means just for the some rupees they do bargaining, they do not negotiate. Because of that, some people or some shopkeepers, they get furious and they use foul language then. But it doesn't happen in online business. Just reviews are there, and stars are there which will tell you the quality of product, and you will have to sell them. No negotiation there. That's it.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Fabia, and today we all have gathered here to debate on a very amazing and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious topic, which is in the regard of business. That which business is good, online and offline. So today I am going to favor offline business. At first, I would like to talk about the trust. You know, human connection builds a trust. At first, I would like to talk about the markets at all. You know, whenever we go somewhere for buying something and to purchase something, so first of all, we take and we see that what kind of variety of this product is it good or bad, whether it's about makeup, it's about clothes, it's about material. Whenever you go to buy anything, so you check it first. So that's my first thing. And like this, we can build a trust on the people. Customer can also build a trust on the owner, and owner can also build a trust on the people. How? When the customer will buy the product, so he can ask to the owner that is this product is good or bad. So the owner can tell them very easily, like they can give the good explanation for them. It is good and you can use it like that and like that. But in online business it cannot happen. Just we will have to put up pictures of your product, and it's up to us. If we want to buy, then we will buy. If we don't want to buy, so we will not buy. Secondly, there is a risk. How? Whenever we ordered something, for an example, if I ordered something from the Meesho, so what happens mostly, whatever I have ordered, but different product comes. That's the reason, and it takes too much time to return. As she's talking about the money, we can take our money very quickly at all. It will not take time. So I would like to give an example which has happened with me. Like at the time of wedding, it was wedding at my home, so I ordered a lehenga for myself, but it didn't come. It was different which I ordered, and on the spot, what can I do at that time? What could I do at that time? So just I was praying to God that I should get lehenga from outside, from the shops, so that it happens in the Meesho apps, in online platforms. Like fraud and risk happens. Risk is there. Yeah, it happens, Sarji. Especially with clothes, it happens. Yeah, that's the reason. Secondly, I would like to give her answer that we need not to, like she was telling about the payment at all. We can get our payment on the spot, anytime. Means in a 5 or 6 minutes. She was telling like that. I would like to tell you, and as I've told you, it takes too much time to take the money, and on the spot money we can on the spot money we can take just in offline business, in offline shopping. As Rim Shopping was talking about the shops, local people prefer the shops like these shops, like Pachis Buddha market at all. For an example, Charni Chowk market, example Silampur market. Most of the richest people also come there for buying something, because in a local shop we can get something and in a cheap price.
Okay, if I tell you about returning issue, so in offline business, what happens? If means my mother went to a shop for purchasing something for me, and I did not like that thing, so that shopkeeper will deny that you didn't buy this from me, and nobody dare to take money from that shopkeeper. But it doesn't happen in online business, because if you do not like the product, then you can return it in 7 days. Within 7 days, you can return your product and you will get your money. Okay, and if I tell you about operating hours, so in offline business, what happens that 7 to 9 or 7 hours, 8 hours, you will have to be physically at your shop. But it doesn't happen, and by which you are unable to visit, you are unable to enjoy your life. Life is for enjoying. Okay, and but in online business, you can enjoy your life. You can do your business, means you can do your work while visiting, while enjoying, while spending time with your family, because then just you have to put your product, you have to put some lines for your product, and it's not a big deal that you will have to write a paragraph, as Ishan told, that you will have to write a paragraph and a lot of things you will have to write. It will take much time. So it's not like that, because if you go at any shop, so the shopkeeper, the owner will tell you qualities of his and her product, and it will take much time.
So to get something, you will have to lose something. Secondly, as you were talking about, the life is for enjoyment, for getting the enjoy. So just I would like to say, when you will have money, then you can enjoy your life. Otherwise, you will be like a fool in a world. Okay. Secondly, I would like to say one line. An online click can get your product, but an online smile can bring your customer for a life. That's the reason always people prefer offline business and offline shopping. Now I would like to tell you that according to the report, MSME annual report, and it is the data of 2023, like 23 to 24, 62 million prefer and they do business offline. If I tell you about the data of online business, so according to the report IBEF and DPIIT, according to that report, 8 to 12 million prefer online business. So can our country develop but just by 12 or 8 million people? Of course not. As they are talking about, there will be a future of technical era and all. I agree for that. But now we are living in a present. So firstly focus here. In a future, whatever will happen, we will see that.
Okay, see the present. In present, everything is digital. Even our education is also digital. So why business we should do offline? Okay,
where is your...
Listen.
Okay.
Now I want to give answer to some of my opponents. First of all, Rukaiya. She told that some people, they invest their money in online business, but it was a scam with them. It was fraud with them. But she did not make us count their name, and she did not make us count that how many people were they. Okay. Second one is Shabnam. As she said that in this era, people who do not know how to use mobile phone, means it's a very tiny thing for every person. She said tailor, means on the YouTube we saw a lot of videos of tailors that they are teaching on YouTube that how to stitch this, how to stitch shirt and all. Okay, and Amreen, she said for experience we need offline business. Means she said just for experience. She just wanted to get experience from the offline business. She wanted to do online business. Why? Because in online business there is plenty of money. If I tell you about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, web designing, Microsoft, so there are a lot of money which you can make by yourself, by your mindset. And
okay, may I now?
Just one. Okay.
Okay. So now I would like to say one thing. If online business is that much good, so why people take tuition at this time offline? And online businesses
Yeah,
depend
that's the
on the internet, and as you all know very well that there in India there is no good connection, good internet connection. In 45 rural areas there is no internet connection. By the knowledge I am telling, so don't, okay, especially you. Yeah, you always say that.
Suggest
So
one.
just
Suggest
one thing, one thing.
Suggest one. Suggest one. Sarah.
Just one thing.
अरे